Hello everyone. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but my saddle lost its little keeper, and I bought a replacement. Actually, I had to buy 6 replacements because you can't just buy one. So I'm going to attempt to put this back on here. I am not a saddle maker. I'm not a leather worker, whatever. I've got some leather lace, and I'm gonna try to put it on. I'm pretty sure that previously it went through, like, into the saddle. I can't find the piece that broke off of this because it did it in the middle of a ride, and I looked all over that arena because that's where I was riding. Couldn't find it. So watch the chaos unfold, I guess.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, save me?
Okay, so there's like 2 pieces of this. Ugh. I'm gonna sit down. And there's an ant. Die, 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 die. Sorry you had to see that little bit of violence as I murdered an ant. Anyway, so I'm gonna see if I can fit it through this first. Oh, yep, I can. Oh, it's kind of windy. Sorry if that was loud. There's supposed to be a storm at some point. We'll see. Maybe I can get this done before the storm comes in. Okay. Whew. So now you're gonna be too heavy for it, huh? All of a sudden. I feel like this should have 2 holes in it, you know? But we're gonna see what we can do. Okay, I've got it through the hole. I'm gonna pull it out here. And I'm guessing what's probably gonna be the best for this, there's a second hole. I don't know if you can see it. There's a second hole like right here. I'm gonna maneuver it through the second hole. Maybe. If I say that, I might not be able to get it through. It's kind of tight right here. Ooh. Aha! Got it through. Okay, now this is the part that confuses me a bit, because I'm guessing the best thing to do is just tie this on. There was a concho here, which is why this stayed where it was supposed to. I don't depend on this to hold anything up. This is basically like the extra just kind of loops through. So it's really just to keep something out of the way, so I'm not too worried about it being like super strong. You know what I mean? I feel like looks so stupid. But for now, I just really don't care. As long as it works. Tie like 300 knots in it. Okay, so it looks kind of dumb. But I don't think it's going anywhere. At least not going anywhere for the purpose in which it holds what it holds. Like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna hold. Yeah, see how ugly it looks under there? But I've got my new stirrups, and it was time to put this on. This is really not pretty at all. I should have looked for like a black leather lace or something. You know what I just thought of? I'm about to do something really stupid. I'm gonna see if I can fit both of them through here. I might have to widen this circle a bit. Just take the scissors and push and twist so it like starts to get bigger. Sorry guys, I dropped you, and then my stand, my makeshift stand that I've got you on, just decided that it wasn't gonna hold you the same way. So y'all can see this. That's all I care about. Oh crap. Anyway, I'm attempting to make this hole bigger to see if I can push the, and I just do it by pushing the scissors in and turning them around. I think I'll be able to do it that way. It's definitely easier to get one through, so let's see if I can get both of them through at the same time. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Might have to make it a little bigger. I'm so close. Hold on. The good thing is that if I screw this one up and go, oh my gosh, I can't do anything with this one, I have 5 more at home that I can use instead. So I have 5 tries. I'm gonna stab myself in the face if I'm not careful. Okay, gotta make sure I'm on the right side. Okay. Yeah, that'd be cute. I get the whole thing done and it's not even the right side. Okay, good. I got both of them through. All right. There we go. Get away from me, bug. Now, I've got both of them through. It looks prettier, but now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I could just oh my gosh, please don't fall over, Sally. Please don't. Put it up here so I can. Okay. This seems to be the best option right here. And even though those are kind of like loose, it kind of looks, it looks way better than it did before, okay? The last one looked janky. This one at least looks like it might be the way that they intended it to be. You know what I mean? Like it kind of has that little bit of flowy. I mean, it's not the right color, but We're not here to look good. We're here for function. Obviously. So as long as for some reason that leather back there doesn't like decide to rip in half, I think we got it. I like this look a lot better than the last look. So I'm excited. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the Chaos Unfold. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if for some reason you know something I don't about this that I could, you know, do to fix it up a little bit, let me know down in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!